व्हाट इज अबैकस। क्रिकेट इंडिया जो है उसकी जो टीम है उसमें श्रीशांत जो बॉलर थे, आपको याद होगा T20 में जिन्होंने लास्ट बॉल पे पीछे कैच पकड़ी थी, बहुत पॉपुलर थे वो।
एब्सोल्युटली।
उनका फोटो लगा हुआ था और उनके वो ब्रेन जिम कर रहे थे।
सबसे ज़्यादा कैलकुलेटर्स बनाते हैं, बट दे यूज अबैकस मेथड्स टू कैलकुलेट 100 times faster than a calculator. So the abacus student gets used to using these three things together. Correct? And visualization is the first step to creativity. And the best part, it is your cow. It is not what your mother has written as a cow. So this child has read, left,
Taken a break,
gone out to started playing, and he's coming back.
Yes.
Typical situation. This simple thing actually relaxes all the mind block, and you are able to recall things faster.
वेलकम दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का रिफ्रेम में। सबसे पहले तो मुझे सभी को बहुत बहुत थैंक यू बोलना है, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने जो प्यार दिया है रिफ्रेम पॉडकास्ट के लिए वो बहुत ही पॉजिटिव और बहुत अच्छा है। जो नए ऑडियंस अभी हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं, मैं उन्हें कहूँगा सबसे पहले नीचे एक रेड कलर का बटन होगा सब्सक्राइब का, उसको दबाइए, लाइक कीजिए, और जो भी आपके क्वेश्चंस है, जो भी आपको कम्युनिकेशन करना है वो कमेंट सेक्शन में हमसे आप कर सकते हो डायरेक्टली। आज हम लोग PS जयशंकर सर से बात करेंगे, जो SIP एकेडमी इंडिया के हेड ऑफ स्टूडेंट रिटेंशन है। आज का पॉडकास्ट उन लोगों के लिए है जो मैथ्स को फ़न कैसे बना सकते हैं, ब्रेन जिम क्या होती है। हाँ जी हाँ, ब्रेन जिम, नॉट द फिजिकल जिम दैट वी गो टू। सो व्हाट इज़ ब्रेन जिम। आज की दुनिया में जहाँ पे कंटिन्यूस डिस्ट्रैक्शंस है, स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स की वजह से, OTT की वजह से, या फिर आप बोल सकते हो सोशल मीडिया की वजह से, उस दौरान हम बच्चों का कंसंट्रेशन कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, इन सभी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो एन्जॉय कीजिए ये इंसाइटफुल और नॉलेज पैक्ड पॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है सर आपका रिफ्रेम में। सर, इट्स एन ऑनर टू हैव यू ऑन द पॉडकास्ट।
आई एम ऑल्सो ऑनर्ड टू बी हियर।
सो फर्स्ट, सबसे पहले सर मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूँगा आपके बारे में, अगर आप हमें बता सकते हो कि आप कहाँ आपने जर्नी शुरू करी और कैसे आपने SIP एकेडमी से आप जुड़े।
मेरी जर्नी ऐसी रही थी कि आई फिनिश माई ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, नासिक में किया था मैंने। उस समय पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी होती थी, और उसके बाद मेरा पहला जॉब इलाहाबाद में लगा था, जहाँ पे आजकल कुंभ चल रहा है।
हाँ।
सो दैट इज़ वेयर मैंने नेरोलैक पेन से शुरू किया था, फिर काफ़ी सारे मल्टीनेशनल से काम करता रहा करीब 2003 तक। और 2003 में मैंने एक चीज़ रियलाइज़ किया था कि जो स्किल्स है वो बहुत कम है लोगों में, जिसको हम एक और लैंग्वेज कहते हैं एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी का।
यस।
तो वो स्किल्स हमको डेवलप करना पड़ेगा जो अडल्ट भी हो गए। एंड जब मैं स्किल्स पे रिसर्च कर रहा था तो ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम के बारे में सोचा था, तो आई गॉट इनटू कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग, जिसमें स्किल डेवलपमेंट में ज़्यादा फोकस था। और उसी समय पे ये अबैकस के प्रोग्राम्स इंडिया में आ रहे थे, फ्रॉम मलेशिया एंड सिंगापुर एक्सेट्रा। चाइना से डायरेक्टली नहीं आए थे, बट दे आर कम फ्रॉम मलेशिया। So, मलेशिया में काफ़ी गढ़ है इनका। तो वहाँ से जब इंडिया में आए थे तो उस समय मुझे किसी ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था अपने फ्रेंड से, जो एज अ स्टार्टअप इसको स्टार्ट कर रहे थे। और वही आजकल MD भी हैं यहाँ पे। सो मिस्टर दिनेश विक्टर ने ये शुरू किया था एंड ये प्रोग्राम लेके आए थे। तो एक ही चीज़ मुझे भाई थी कि ये भी स्किल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम है, और जिसके कारण चीज़ें फ़न हो जाती हैं। एक्चुअली मैं किसी चीज़ को सीख लेता हूँ तो वो स्किल है उसका, और वो स्किल सीख लेता हूँ तो वो फ़न हो जाता है, और फिर मैं उसको बार बार करना चाहता हूँ, अप्लाई करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी लाइफ इजी हो रही है।
राइट।
तो दैट्स व्हेन 2003 में मैंने ये प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन किया था। पहले 1 साल मैंने फ्रेंचाइजी काम किया था। फिर उसके बाद कंपनी ज्वाइन कर लिया, और कंपनी में अलग अलग रोल्स में था। पहले सेल्स में था, फिर एक प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट में था, अमल करके एक प्रोग्राम था जो बच्चों को, यंग बच्चों को स्किल सिखाता था। और उसके बाद अभी मैं हेड ऑफ रिटेंशन हूँ करीब 2016 से, ऑलमोस्ट 8 साल हो गए इसको। सो दैट इज़ हाउ माई जर्नी इज़।
बहुत अच्छी जर्नी है। आजकल ये बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है कि कोई एक इंसान एक कंपनी में इतने साल से काम कर रहा है, नहीं तो जनरली आजकल इट इज़ पीपल आर मोर कि जहाँ पे बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है स्विच कर रहे हैं या चेंजेस कर रहे हैं। तो इट्स ग्रेट टू हियर फ्रॉम यू।
थैंक यू।
आपको एक स्टोरी मैं बताना चाहूँगा अपनी या व्यूवर्स को भी, कि मैं खुद एक अबैकस का स्टूडेंट रह चुका हूँ। वो मेरे लिए इतना बेनिफिशियल रहा है कि आज भी मैं जो भी कैलकुलेशंस कर रहा हूँ SIP अबैकस, मैंने जो भी सीखा था विजुअलाइज करके अबैकस को मैं वही उसी वैसे ही सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, लाइक मैथमेटिक्स, एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ऑल ऑफ दैट। मैं ये मतलब एक स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लेम ये भी करना चाहूँगा कि अगर मेरे से अबैकस ले लिया जाए तो यू कैन से आई एम स्पेशली एबल्ड इन अ वे. So
Okay.
it is that integral in my life in today's time.
I can
Abacus is
understand.
that important. So I'm quite sure that it's a very important thing that everyone should have. So coming back to and we'll explore further कि SIP abacus क्या है, abacus के फ़ायदे क्या है. सबसे पहले सर जो नए लोग हैं तो सबसे पहले बेसिक क्वेश्चन कि abacus मतलब क्या? What is abacus?
Okay. See, abacus basically एक ancient tool है कैलकुलेशन के लिए,
हाँ.
बीड्स यूज़ करके.
Yes.
तो इसका स्टार्टिंग हुआ था मेरे ख्याल से ऑलमोस्ट 3000 ईयर्स 2500 ईयर्स बैक इन एंशिएंट इजिप्ट,
Okay.
मेसोपोटामिया के आसपास.
Okay. Okay.
एंड देन इट ट्रैवल्ड, इवॉल्व्ड एंड फाइनली चाइनीज़ एंड जापानीज़ ने इसको काफ़ी करंट रूप दिया हुआ है.
हाँ.
चाइनीज़ अबैकस थोड़ा फ़र्क है, जो हम करंटली यूज़ करते हैं इंडिया में वो जापानीज़ है, इसको
Okay.
सोरेबॉन बोलते हैं.
Okay. Okay.
एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ यूज. उसमें एक बीड ऊपर होता है और 4 नीचे होते हैं.
हाँ.
और चाइनीज़ में ऊपर 2 बीड होते हैं और नीचे 5 होते हैं.
Okay.
तो दैट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन दे डू इट, एंड दोनों के फंक्शनल चीज़ें अलग हैं. आई थिंक सोरेबॉन बिकम वेरी फेमस बिकॉज इट वॉज मोर फंक्शनल एंड डू
Okay.
इट. आज भी मेरे ख्याल से इफ़ यू विल गो बैक, चाइनीज़ एंड जापानीज़ दे डोंट यूज कैलकुलेटर्स, जो वो वर्ल्ड के सबसे ज़्यादा कैलकुलेटर्स बनाते हैं,
हाँ. हाँ.
बट दे यूज अबैकस मेथड्स टू कैलकुलेट एंड दे आर
Wow.
ऑलमोस्ट 100 times faster than a calculator.
Abacus is
Abacus
100 times faster than a calculator.
Yeah, because once you learn how to use an abacus,
हाँ. हाँ. हाँ.
then you start visualizing it,
Yes.
and then the more you practice, the more faster you become.
Right.
So if हाल ही फिलहाल में हमारा एक स्टूडेंट था, वो ह्यूमन वर्ल्ड कैलकुलेटर के नाम से उसको अवार्ड किया गया था. ही वॉज द फास्टेस्ट कैलकुलेटिंग पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड. तो ह्यूमन कैलकुलेटर बोलते हैं उसको.
Great.
So lot of our students are achieving greatness is because they are able to calculate faster.
Okay.
हम जब कैलकुलेशन की बात करते हैं तो यूजुअली हम बोलते हैं कि ये मैथ्स से ही रिलेटेड है, बट अगर थोड़ा सा डीपली हम इसको चेक करें
हाँ. हाँ.
तो यू कैन नॉट टेक अ डिसीजन विदाउट कैलकुलेटिंग.
Without
Calculating.
calculator.
Yes.
Okay.
No, without calculating.
Calculating in
Every
general
decision is calculation.
in life.
You in life, because you calculate between benefits, you calculate between the losses,
Yes.
you
yes,
calculate between the kind of risk you're taking,
Right. Right.
and if the risk is takeable, not takeable. So if you can do analysis, calculation, and weigh it up faster, you're making a decision that risk is on a lesser side than the benefits that are there. So there is a margin, and I can work on it. So
Right.
the thinking, the ability to analytically think, even if it is objects,
Yes.
happens when you are able to calculate it faster, because you start seeing both sides of the whole thing. So it is the best part about abacus is, though it is largely designed for calculating using
Yes,
beads,
yes.
but what happens is हमारे जो cognitive learning skills हैं,
हाँ. हाँ.
जो senses बोलते हैं,
Right. Right.
करेक्ट, उसमें से टेस्ट हटा दीजिएगा, स्मेल हटा दीजिएगा,
हाँ. हाँ.
because that is not used for learning too much.
Yes, yes,
correct. It is required in certain profession,
Right.
otherwise it is very rarely used. तो जो general 3 balance senses जो हमें always active रखने पड़ते हैं, those are your ability to listen,
हाँ.
your ability to able to visualize things, correct, basically touch,
Yes.
and
yes.
your ability to concentrate,
Yes.
and your ability to be able to comprehend things.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
all these skills are going to be always
These are
the
the
top
primary
skills that you require for you to understand things faster. So as you will go back and see, these 3 cognitive skills are worked upon by the general institutes very less.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
Their focus is more on giving you informations and knowledge.
Right. Right.
Correct.
Right. Right.
Whereas the developing of the skills, are you able to use them, is a bit challenging for them, because they have a designed course उनका fixed होता
हाँ.
है,
हाँ. हाँ.
और उनको वो डिलीवर करना होता है उसी
Right.
समय पे.
Right.
जबकि ये skills जो होते हैं वो बहुत important होते हैं, इसीलिए they call it as Montessori method of learning is
Yes,
far
yes,
more
yes.
better, because your touch, your feeling,
Yes, yes.
and you're able to understand the whole thing, the shape, everything.
Right. Right.
So that learning is much faster because it remains constantly with you. Same happens with beads also.
Okay.
So when you're doing a calculating, you would have realized
Yes.
आपने 3 चीजें actually साथ में की थी. Now that I'm telling you, you will realize it now, that you were actually seeing a thing, listening to a thing, and doing it.
Yes.
Correct?
Absolutely.
So your kinesthetics, visual and auditory were working together.
Together.
And when these 3 things work together, when visual works, you're visualizing something, or seeing something focused again and again, your eyes are engaged. Chances of them getting distracted is very less.
Okay, okay.
When you're listening to a number or reading a number, which is basically you telling yourself,
Yes, yes.
your ears are locked off.
Okay.
It is listening to what you are saying.
Okay.
When you say add 32 less 16, add 14, you're listening to yourself in
Yes,
the mind.
yes, yes.
Or you're listening to the teacher. So your hearing is locked off.
Right.
Correct? And the third thing, you're moving the beats.
Yes.
So your kinesthetic hand movements is locked off. So these are the three ways a child gets distracted usually. Either he's hearing something, he's seeing something, or he's doing something. And all these three things together distracts him in different ways. That's why in a classroom, sometimes they miss what is being taught.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
the abacus student gets used to using these three things together.
Great.
So he is learning to see the board, listen, okay, and also do what is being told to him.
Right, right.
Correct? Things are happening, his concentration is very high because all the three learnings are working towards a single objective
Right.
of one thing doing it.
Right, right.
Like children have 10 row sums, if you'll remember.
Yes, yes, yes.
And like that in a page, 30 rows are there. Like that, 5 pages.
Okay, that is also designed in a way.
In a way that
There is a
you're
method to
constantly
everything.
focusing to it.
Okay, okay, okay.
Right?
Okay.
So you're constantly thinking, seeing and doing. Thinking, seeing
Fine.
and doing. Thinking,
Understood.
seeing and doing. Correct? A lot of time we say that young children don't understand what I'm saying. They
Yes.
don't comprehend.
Yes, yes,
That's
yes.
because all the three things are not working together.
Right, right.
So abacus helps in getting all these three things together.
Great.
And once this is done, when they go back to the classroom, then they are seeing, listening and doing. Seeing, listening and doing. So their level of concentration, comprehension is very high. And we have seen that most of our abacus children, after a certain level, like advanced levels
Yes,
we call
yes,
it as,
yes, yes.
they hardly need to go for tuitions.
Right.
That's
right.
because you go to tuition because जो आपने सुबह पढ़ा है वो आपको शाम को याद नहीं.
याद नहीं है.
Correct? और शायद as a current parents, I don't have a time also.
Yes.
So I
yes.
send you to a tuition
Right,
center.
right.
Right? To complete what is learned in the morning.
Yes.
But if you can concentrate, listen and comprehend and retain as a visual memory,
Right, right, right.
then शाम को homework is only 15 minutes
Yes,
work.
yes, yes, yes.
So when you go back and see that abacus is a tool, SIP abacus especially the way we are functioning it, हम ये cognitive skills को develop करते हैं, उसके कारण उसका calculations भी fast हो रहा है, and at the same time उसका ability to apply the same thing whether he is going to school, homeworks, he is going to karate class, there are some various steps he has to
Yes,
remember,
yes,
dance, he has to remember everything, drawing, he has to remember everything. So all that gets mixed up and helps him to learn faster.
Okay.
So anything that he does, he learns faster.
Great.
So that's how the abacus
So
works.
this was a मतलब बहुत कुछ आ गया इसमें. इसको थोड़ा ब्रेक डाउन और करेंगे एक एक करके.
Definitely.
हम लोग ने चालू किया था व्हाट इज अबैकस है. आपने बहुत अच्छे से समझाया कि कहाँ से आया, फिर वो कौन दो अबैकस है, चाइनीज़ और जापानीज़, और हम लोग ने जापानीज़ अडैप्ट किया. और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात जो आपने बताई, और इंटरेस्टिंग से ज़्यादा अमेजिंग या सरप्राइजिंग माइंड ब्लोइंग मुझे बात वो लगी कि कैलकुलेटर से फास्ट अबैकस है.
Absolutely.
ये बहुत ही एक ऐसी चीज़ है, हम लोग बहुत रेयरली इसको एक्सेप्ट कर पाते हैं, बट ये रियलिटी, क्योंकि मैं खुद इसका एग्जांपल, और मुझे खुद पता है. ये मैं इसलिए भी बोल सकता हूँ कि मैंने कभी 10 के आगे के टेबल्स कभी याद नहीं किए, क्योंकि मुझे ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. क्योंकि याद करने का पर्पज़ ये है कि आप क्विकली उसको तुरंत आंसर निकाल पाओ. जैसे मैंने कैट की एग्ज़ाम दी है, एप्टीट्यूड एग्ज़ाम है वो, उसमें ये बेसिक चीज़ें आपको इतनी आपके टिप पे होनी चाहिए, टिप ऑफ योर टंग होनी चाहिए.
Correct.
पर मुझे वो ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. तो आई डू बिलीव कि आप जो बोल रहे हो वो सही है. सेकंड, आपने जैसे बोला व्हाट इज़ अबैकस, अभी थोड़ा वापस मैं आपको पीछे ले जाऊँगा. आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें बता दी, थोड़ा कि व्हाट इज़ SIP अबैकस आपने उसमें बारे में बताया. तो SIP का मतलब क्या है?
Okay. Basically, SIP is a term which is Malaysian है basically, and it called as English में अगर उसको convert करेंगे तो it is what बच्चों को हम बनाते हैं.
ओके ओके.
हम उनको sociable बनाते हैं.
हाँ हाँ.
Most of the kids are not sociable क्योंकि वो confident नहीं है.
राइट राइट.
करेक्ट. व्हेन इन चीज़ों से उनको चीज़ें रिकॉल करना आसान होता है, चीज़ों को बताना आसान होता है,
Yes.
उसकी पर्सपेक्टिव समझना आसान होता है, तो वो सोशेबल हो जाते हैं.
यस.
दे वांट टू बी पार्टिसिपेटिव. एंड सोशेबल इसलिए भी आप हो जाते हो क्योंकि आप में लर्निंग की मनसा जाग जाती है.
राइट राइट.
यू आर मोर क्यूरियस टू लर्न.
यस यस.
तो इसलिए भी आप सोशेबल बनते हो. आप दो तरीके से सोशेबल बनते हो.
हाँ, हाँ.
आप बताना चाहते हो तो भी
हाँ,
आप सोशेबल बनते हो, और आप कुछ सीखना चाहते हो तो भी आप
सोशल, क्योंकि आपको कम्युनिकेट करना है, सीखना है तो आपको उनसे बात करनी
पड़ेगी और उनका सुनना पड़ेगा.
Right,
So
right,
the
right.
listening skill also
Yes,
helps in a
yes,
lot
yes.
in learning new things,
Yes.
because most of the time we want to convey.
Yes, right.
Very rarely we want to listen.
Yeah.
So the SIP Abacus also trains children for listening, which is very important. Then the second is, you call it as intelligence.
Okay.
Okay, we make them intelligent for a very simple reason is उनके learning skills बहुत strong है. They are able to recall things faster. So hence this seems to be very intelligent.
Right.
Correct? Because चीज़ों को जल्दी respond कर पाते.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. And third thing, P is called as progressive. Basically they are looking ahead. They want, and क्योंकि हमारे क्लास में, आपने अपने खुद की क्लास में देखा होगा, सभी बच्चे ऐसा नहीं मानते हैं कि वो ज़्यादा है, वो कम है. स्कूल में क्या होता है, ये फर्स्ट रैंकर है, मैं बैक बेंचर हूँ. ऐसा एसआईपी में आपको कभी नहीं दिखा होगा. एसआईपी के जो सारे बच्चे होते हैं वो अपने आप को इक्वल मान के चलते हैं कि वो भी कर सकते हैं और मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. हम उस तरह से सबको डेवलप करते हैं, चाहे वो किसी भी कैटेगरी में आया, किसी भी लेवल में हमारे पास आया हो. वी एंश्योर ऑल ऑफ देम गो आउट इक्वल. सो दे आर मोर प्रोग्रेसिव, दे आर मोर कॉन्फिडेंट इन लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड in doing something. And क्योंकि ये नई चीज उन्होंने सीखी होती है, which is out of the school curriculums and everything, नए तरीके से सीखी होती है. जैसे आप कह रहे थे, आपके में से abacus निकाल दो तो you will feel very odd. तो similarly they are looking at how to look at new things. जो एक young age से जब कोई नई चीजें हम सीखते हैं तो हम फ्यूचर में भी नई चीजों को अडॉप्ट करने में बहुत इजीली पॉसिबल है. तो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज.
ग्रेट. तो सर ये जिन दिनेश विक्टर सर जिनकी आपने बात करी, तो ये जो SIP अबैकस है ये बेसिकली मलेशियन प्रोडक्ट है.
करेक्ट.
वहाँ से हम लोग ने वहाँ एक इंडिया में हम लोग चला रहे हैं इसको. सर एक मेरा पर्सनल क्वेश्चन था, जब मैं स्कूल में पढ़ रहा था या कॉलेज में, जब भी मुझे लर्निंग करनी है, किसी चीज़ मुझे रटना है, याद करना है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था, मुझे आपसे कंफर्म करना है कि ये सही है या इसमें गलत है. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं जितने ज़्यादा सेंसेस यूज़ करूँगा उसको याद करने के लिए, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल लिख के याद करना है, फिर उसको बोल के मैं ज़ोर से बोल के याद करूँगा, तो मेरे उसमें सेंसेस, एक तो टच का सेंस यूज़ हो रहा है, आँखों से तो मैं देख ही रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लिखना है, और मैं बोल भी रहा हूँ तो मेरे ईयर्स भी उसके साथ में यूज़ हो रहे हैं. तो जितने भी इनपुट सोर्सेज हैं हमारे बॉडी के, वो मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहा हूँ उसको याद करने में. तो वो मुझे ज़्यादा बेटर या ज़्यादा टाइम तक याद रहेगा या अच्छे से याद रहेगा. इज़ इट करेक्ट ये थॉट?
इन सम वे, बट इसमें एक सेंस है जो हम मिस कर देते हैं, दैट इज द एबिलिटी टू विजुअलाइज.
राइट.
करेक्ट. मैं आपको एक छोटा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. आप एक छोटा सा ऐसे लिखना है आपको, मे बी 10 pages, 10 lines, and you are in only 5th class.
Okay.
Correct. So you may read it 10 times or 5 times. You will repeat it 3-4 times.
Yes.
You will write it another 2-3 times. So there is repetition which is happening.
Yes, repetition.
Right? But if I were to teach you how to visualize a cow,
okay,
or visualize a Diwali,
right,
or visualize a holiday in a certain place,
destination, whatever destination.
Once you can visualize, you can actually write all of that faster. So you don't even need to repeat it anytime. So ability to visualize is something that we are not developing currently too much.
Yes.
Correct. And visualization is the first step to creativity. When you see things prospectively, you change yourself.
Yes.
So मेरे हिसाब से all these skills are very strong.
Yes.
But they still need repetitions. But if you can teach a child a visual skills, you need to only repeat it once.
Yes.
So if my child can visualize a cow, I think he can write 10 sentences.
Yes. क्योंकि आप जब लिख रहे हो तो आप सोच रहे हो, तो लिखने के पहले आपको ब्रेन को सोचना है, वो सोचेगा आइडिया को, उसके बाद में उसको लैंग्वेज में डालेगा, फिर आपका हैंड लिखेगा.
Absolutely.
अगर आपको सोचने वाली जो स्टेप है आपने उसको रिड्यूस कर दिया तो आपका काम और फास्ट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आप इमेजिन करो, आप सिर्फ देख के आपको लिखना है इन अ वे, आपके सामने काऊ खड़ी है.
And you can't miss anything.
Yes, you can't miss anything because you know the details.
And the best part, it is your cow. It is not what your mother has written as a cow. Correct?
Right.
Most of the time we are reading what others have given us.
Yes,
if a mother writes cow कैसी होनी चाहिए, तो it is mother's cow we are trying to express.
Yes.
Correct? If someone has written कि ये चीज ऐसे होनी चाहिए, तो आप उसका imagination use कर रहे हैं.
Right.
But if you can imagine, your cow can be very different.
Yes, of course. And that's where the creativity maybe comes into picture.
Absolutely.
ग्रेट. एंड बहुत ही अच्छा पर्सपेक्टिव था विजुअलाइजेशन का. एक्चुअली मैं भी जब भी कॉलेज में, हमें इंजीनियरिंग में बहुत सारे पार्ट्स की वर्किंग लिखनी होती है कि ये मशीन उसकी वर्किंग लिखनी होती है, तो वो मैं भी विजुअलाइज करके ही करता था कि मैं उसको याद कर लूँ मशीन कैसी दिख रही है,
Correct.
तो मैं उसको इनपुट सोर्सेस क्या क्या है, उसके आउटपुट क्या क्या है, और फिर उसका मैकेनिज्म लिखूँगा तो ज़्यादा इजीली होगा रादर देन रटने से.
Absolutely.
सो मे बी वो कहाँ से आई मुझे पता नहीं है, मैंने कभी आइडेंटिफाई नहीं किया कि मैंने कहाँ से विजुअलाइजेशन करना सीखा.
You learned your
Probably-
visualization from SIP
Yes,
Abacus.
yes, that may be
So you're
that.
trained for visualization.
Yes, yes.
That's what
So
happens.
नेक्स्ट है सर, आपने अबैकस क्या है बताया, SIP अबैकस में SIP का मतलब क्या बताया. तो अभी हमें जानना है कि SIP अबैकस किसके लिए है, who
Who will benefit?
will benefit from SIP अबैकस.
Absolutely. ये हम थोड़ा young age से शुरू करते हैं.
हाँ.
Because that is the age you're open to learn many things.
Okay.
And once you get matured level, then you have other things also, and you start taking prioritizing. You start
Yes,
taking
yes,
decisions.
yes, yes.
What is more important? Plus another thing they see, like you music, dance, or even cricket or sports or anything, wherever skills are required,
Right.
not knowledge,
Yes,
skills are
yes,
required.
yes.
The younger you learn, the more time you have to learn it easily,
Okay.
and you don't get worried about making more mistakes.
Okay. Okay.
The older you learn, you're more aware of mistakes, and you don't want to commit it.
Yes.
You
yes.
have other priorities, and all
Yes,
those disturbances
yes,
comes
yes.
in. So SIP Abacus starts from the age of 5.
Okay. Okay.
6, sorry. We
Age of
started the
6,
age
not
of
class
6.
6,
No,
age
no.
6.
Age 6.
Yeah.
6.5 मानते हैं हम लोग.
हाँ हाँ.
Mid of class 1.
Okay.
And then it runs up to class 6. Correct? हम लोग roughly 12 years बोलते हैं.
Okay.
You can say 7th class also,
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
but very effective up to
Yes.
class
Yes.
6.
Yes. Yes.
एंड 7th क्लास के बाद क्या होता है कि आज की तारीख में बहुत कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम शुरू हो जाते हैं, एक्स्ट्रा वर्क्स हो जाते हैं, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स हो जाते हैं.
Yes.
सो आई थिंक दिस टाइम ऑफ यू जॉइनिंग फ्रॉम 6 years to 12 years हेल्प्स यू. उसमें प्रेशर आपका ज़्यादा नहीं होता है.
Yes,
आप
yes,
स्टिल
yes.
प्राइमरी स्कूल में होते हो या नर्सरी में होते हो. सो प्राइमरी स्कूल में आपके पास इतना प्रेशर नहीं होता है, तो आपको ये एक्स्ट्रा स्किल लर्निंग का स्पेस मिल जाता है.
Right.
एंड वंस यू लर्न द स्किल्स, देन एवरीथिंग एल्स इन द फ्यूचर बिकम्स मच इजी.
यस यस. सर अभी हम लोग ने देखा कि किसके लिए है ये, तो दूसरा क्वेश्चन ऑब्वियसली आता है, आपने ड्यूरेशन भी बता दिया मोर वाले साहब कि कितने
Correct.
ड्यूरेशन का है और कौन सी एज के लिए. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि इसके की एलिमेंट्स क्या क्या है, SIP अबैकस के क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स है जो हम लोग सीखते हैं.
ओके. अगर आप अबैकस के रूप में देखोगे
हाँ, हाँ.
एज अ कैलकुलेटर, then we learn all the arithmetical functions.
ओके.
Correct? It starts from addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in multiple forms. So अगर हमारे पास child initial 1.5 years, 2 years, he is learning how to use an abacus.
ओके.
Now this is missed out. हम लोग मैथ्स के बारे में ज़्यादा बात करते हैं, तो मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जो स्कूल में आपको मैथ सिखाया जाता है, it is like you are being taught how to walk.
यस.
You can walk only at a certain speed.
ओके. ओके.
Correct?
Yeah,
The way
yeah.
the calculation
यस
happens.
यस यस.
So now अगर आपको एक डिस्टेंस से दूसरा डिस्टेंस फास्टर जाना होगा तो आप क्या करोगे?
पता
आप
नहीं है
अपने बच्चों
मुझे.
को साइकिल सिखाओगे.
हाँ राइट. साइकिल मतलब कुछ और मोड लेना पड़ेगा, तो
कोई
रनिंग
मोड देना पड़ेगा.
रनिंग भी सीख सकते
रनिंग भी सीख सकते हैं. बट लेट्स से you want to use a tool to go faster, so you use a cycle.
Cycle, fine.
Cycle also needs a new learning, and then you become faster.
Yes, yes.
So this is similar. Abacus is to calculation like a cycle. We give a tool which makes you faster and makes you do less mistakes. So होता क्या है, abacus करने से आप चीज को नॉन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नंबर्स को एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फॉर्म में देख रहे होते हैं. करेक्ट? और जब आप एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फॉर्म में देख रहे होते हो तो आपकी गलतियां कम होने लगती हैं.
Yes, yes.
राइट? और जब गलतियां कम होने लगती हैं तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस गेन होता है.
हाँ.
और जब कॉन्फिडेंस गेन होता है तो आप फास्टर हो जाते हैं.
Okay.
दैट इज हाउ abacus works.
Yes, yes, yes.
करेक्ट? सो आपको ये नंबर्स एंड कैलकुलेशन में दिखता है, बट क्योंकि आपको ये सब करने के लिए आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेट, लिसन और विजुअल मेमोरी बहुत आपका स्ट्रांग होता है, तो हेंस यू बिकम फास्टर.
Okay.
बिकॉज जिस चीज़ को हम देख रहे होते हैं उसमें गलतियां कम होती हैं, जिस चीज़ को हम नहीं देख रहे होते हैं वो गलतियां ज़्यादा होती हैं.
Right, right, right.
So that's exactly the component is, though we teach basics of addition, subtraction, multiplication, as they go we teach them even complex numbers.
Yes,
Like
yes.
आपने जो लेवल्स किए होंगे, तो आप जैसे बता रहे थे मल्टीप्लिकेशन, आपको 99 तक के टेबल करने
Yes,
की जरूरत
yes,
नहीं
yes,
है.
yes, yes.
आपको 999 के टेबल्स
Yes,
करने की
yes,
जरूरत
yes.
नहीं है. आपको डेसिमल्स करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपने बॉडमास भी सीखा हुआ है.
Yes, yes, yes.
सो ये सारी चीजें आपको 8th के बाद यूज करने के लिए मिलेंगी,
Yeah,
बट
yeah.
सीखने पहले पड़ेगी.
Right, right, right.
Right? So
Yes.
once you learn early and slowly, you are so strong that you can apply it faster.
Yes, and when you go at that stage where it is being actually taught in school, it is like a revision, and then you are just strengthening it further, reinforcing your fort.
Fourth,
Further.
correct. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम 7th 8th के बाद आपको टीचर सिर्फ पढ़ा के चली जाते हैं. यू हैव टू लर्न योरसेल्फ.
यस.
So when you learn these skills, it's much easier for you to learn things. So I will tell you a small example. In the early days, 2005 की बात है.
हाँ.
तो हम एक बच्चे को ट्रेन कर रहे थे और ऐसे ही मैं एक स्कूल में चला गया था विद अ ट्रेन चाइल्ड ऑफ SIP अबैकस. तो अंदर जाके टीचर प्रिंसिपल को यही बात मैं मेमोरीज की और बता रहा था. तो बोलता है नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, इतना तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. मैंने कहा सर होता है. तो मेरे साथ ही मेरा एक स्टूडेंट भी था. तो उन्होंने बोला मैं इनको एक पैराग्राफ दूंगा, ये मेरे को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ.
मैंने कहा यस. तो उन्होंने बुक दिया और उसमें 2 डॉग्स का कंपैरिजन था.
ओके.
तो वो पढ़ रहा था.
हाँ हाँ.
इतने में उनका फ़ोन कॉल कुछ आ गया तो वो बात करने लगे.
हाँ.
तो बच्चे ने 5 मिनट के बाद बक बंद कर दी और बाहर घूमने खेलने चला गया.
हाँ.
सो 5 मिनट के बाद उन्होंने बोला कि उन्होंने कुछ और बात करने लगे. मैंने कहा सर वो बाहर चला गया, मैं उसको बुला लूँ? हाँ हाँ वो हमने चेक करना था. तो उन्होंने बुलाया और उन्होंने बोला कि मेरे को बता सकते हो आपने क्या पढ़ा? सो दिस चाइल्ड हैज़ रेड, लेफ्ट, गॉन आउट टू स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग एंड ही इज कमिंग बैक.
यस.
Typical situation. In a normal situation, you will say the child will not remember anything.
Of course not.
Correct, because he is first time he reading it.
Even if he remembers, it will remember trail something of that.
He came back and he completely explained that paragraph, whereas a comparison of 2 dogs were given.
Okay.
The principal opened the page again and saw and said, "I'm astonished that a child who's just read it for a few seconds, gone out to play, can come back and repeat it immediately." So that's the power Abacus works.
Great.
So कैलकुलेशन इज द लास्ट स्टेप. एक्चुअली अगर आप कैलकुलेट फास्टर कर सकते हो तो ऑलमोस्ट लाइफ में आप सब कुछ फास्टर कर सकते हो.
वो तो आपने जो एग्जांपल दिया, एनालॉजी दी है, वो तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी है. और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग सर मुझे आपसे बात करने में मज़ा इसलिए आ रहा है क्योंकि आप हर चीज़ का एग्जांपल दे रहे हो. तो और बेटर सामने जैसे हम बोल रहे हैं, हम जब बात ही कर रहे हैं विजुअलाइजेशन की, जब हम एग्जांपल देते हैं तो और बेटर विजुअलाइज भी हो जाता है. तो इट्स ग्रेट. मतलब इट्स नॉट जस्ट यू आर डूइंग वॉक द टॉक एक्चुअली. एंड दैट्स ग्रेट. थैंक यू सो मच. तो सर अभी आपने बताया कि एक तो नंबर्स वाला एक एलिमेंट है और दूसरे एलिमेंट जो है जैसे ब्रेन जिम और स्पीड.
मैं आई एम जस्ट कमिंग टू दैट. सो ब्रेन जिम इज इंक्लूडेड फॉर अ सिंपल रीजन इज आपके कई स्टेजेस में आपके ब्रेन ब्लॉक्स हो जाते हैं. करेक्ट. सो और आपका एनर्जी लेवल्स कम हो जाता है.
हाँ, हाँ.
और आपको सर्टन थिंग्स आपको स्टिफ कर देता है.
यस.
करेक्ट. सो एग्जाम के समय पे आप उठ के अपने आप को स्ट्रेच तो नहीं कर सकते.
राइट. नहीं.
But there can be very few exercises like we call it as owl's hoot, shoulder rolls, okay, neck rolls. ये तीनों चीज़ें आप 10th क्लास में अगर यूज़ करोगे तो you will feel less stiff and you will be able to do it.
Right.
क्योंकि क्या होता है कि जब stiffness आ जाती है तो आपकी बहुत सारी चीज़ें याद करने में आपको तकलीफ होती है because ये बीच में hindrance कर रही होती है. Right? Similarly, we have something called as thinking cap, which helps in listening. एंड वी हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है कि जब ओवर ड्राइव में होता है ब्रेन, तो ब्रेन ब्लॉक्स शुरू हो जाते हैं एंड कम्युनिकेशन बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज ब्रेन में क्या होता है, एक लेफ्ट और राइट होता है. The left is largely the right is largely asking you. The left is where the information, the right is where the information is stored.
Okay.
And the left is where the logical rational decision happens. Correct. It's not exactly right and left, but thoda aage piche.
Kind of.
Correct. So most of your information is stored in right and most of your logic happens in left. Left is like a दरबान, वो ज़्यादा नई इन्फॉर्मेशन घुसने नहीं देता. बट अगर राइट को आपको आदत हो गई है ना इन्फॉर्मेशन लेने की, तो लेफ्ट उसको रोकता भी नहीं.
राइट.
सो समटाइम व्हाट हैपन व्हेन द लेफ्ट रीड्स द क्वेश्चन एंड इट आस्क्स द राइट व्हाट इज द आंसर. नाउ इफ देयर इज अ ब्रेन ब्लॉक द इन्फॉर्मेशन डजंट कम इन. इसीलिए एग्जाम में लिखते लिखते कभी आप आंसर भूल जाते हो. आपके टिप ऑफ द टंग में होता है लेकिन निकलता नहीं है.
वो पेज नंबर पे ये लिखा था, बस याद आ जाता है, लिख
क्या है करके. सो दिस टिपिकली डजंट हैपन विद एन अबैकस चाइल्ड because he can do this positive points in the examination for a few seconds and suddenly everything will clear, you will be relaxed and the communication will start. It's like a traffic block happening and the brain gym is like a traffic inspector who is able to clean it up and let the traffic flow immediately. So brain gym is largely simple movements of brain and body which helps the brain to become reactivated and it is able to retrieve and make you recall faster for you to perform faster. So that's what the brain.
So brain gym जो आपने अभी exercise बताई, 3 exercise, is it possible? Can we show it here?
Yeah, I'll tell you one very simple thing जो हम सब लोग कर सकते हैं. I will stick to one brain gym of it. अक्सर क्या होता है, हमें चीज़ें भूल जाती हैं. गाड़ी की चाबी कहाँ रखी है, information क्या है, और बच्चों के साथ भी ये होता है, बट मैं बड़ों के साथ भी बोल रहा हूँ. So there is a very simple exercise called positive points if you remember this.
So we have to
you have 2 hands like this.
Yeah.
And you keep it in the edge of the temple where the curve is there,
So first we have to make it like a gun.
like a gun,
Okay.
and keep these two
On
at
a
the
temple.
edge of the temple
Okay.
where the curve is there.
Where the curve, जहाँ पे हमारा
जहाँ पे
brain-
कर्व होता है,
हाँ, यहाँ
जस्ट
पे
कर्व हो
curve
रहा होता है इस जगह पे,
Okay.
एंड ऑफ द आईब्रो लार्जली होता है, इधर पे
ठीक है, और
कर्व होता है,
ऊपर नीचे कहाँ पे?
बीच में रखिए,
बीच में, ठीक है.
करेक्ट. नाउ जस्ट पुट अ लिटिल प्रेशर विथ योर एज ऑफ द थंब एंड स्टार्ट मूविंग इन वन वे,
And do a
whether
massage?
clockwise or हाँ,
Or
it's like
just
a
move
massage
in a round
in
round.
one way,
Okay.
and then you can stop and move it the other way around.
Okay.
Correct? This simple thing actually relaxes all the mind block and you are able to recall things faster.
Okay.
Correct? Sometimes the mind block is not, क्योंकि आप जब चाबी ढूंढ रहे होते हो तो आपके दिमाग में 25 और चीज़ें चल रही होती
Yes,
है,
yes.
तो वो ट्रैफिक ब्लॉक क्रिएट करता है.
हाँ.
तो स्कूल में भी ऐसे ही होता है. मम्मी अक्सर कहती है कि इसको कल तक तो सब कुछ याद था,
Yes.
एग्जाम में पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है.
हाँ.
So this mind blocks is there. So once this children learn it, it becomes easier. Then there's another exercise for listening better.
हाँ.
Generally what happens during the day, our ear, this thing curls in,
Okay.
and it also avoids us from listening clearly. मतलब it is
Okay.
supposed to be like a dish antenna,
हाँ,
which is supposed to make you hear everything.
Right.
Correct?
Right.
And if the more curl is there, the lesser you will hear it,
Okay.
because it is
okay.
reflecting and going back.
Okay.
So you have a simple thinking cap exercise, which is to uncurl your earlobes till the
मतलब
edge.
ऊपर से पकड़ना है,
ऊपर
पीछे
से
की तरफ मोड़ो,
turn
कर्ल
up,
करो
थोड़ा
उसको,
कर्ल करो उसको बाहर की तरफ.
आगे की तरफ.
Yes. So if you will do this about 3-4 times,
हाँ.
you will suddenly see your earlobes have opened up
Okay.
and they receive information much easily. Like it's like a dish antenna. So these are two exercises I can say.
सर, और ये जो एक्सरसाइज अभी आपने बताई, ये मतलब कैसे डिजाइन होती है, इसके पीछे कोई
This
साइंटिफिक
is
रीजन है?
there is a gentleman called Dr. Dennison in US.
Okay.
तो उन्होंने ये डिजाइन किया है.
अच्छा.
You can search in Brain Gym and you
Okay,
can
okay.
see a lot of things information
Yes,
over
yes,
there.
yes.
उनके कोर्सेज होते हैं.
हाँ.
तो हमारे लोगों ने लर्न किए थे और हम अप्लाई करते हैं उसको.
Great.
We have a certificate from him to apply it
Okay.
in India. So Brain Gym generally क्या होता है लाइफ में आप कुछ भी सीखने जा रहे हो,
हाँ.
उसके पहले आपका ब्रेन रेडी होना चाहिए.
Yes.
करेक्ट? इफ योर ब्रेन इज नॉट रिलैक्स्ड
हाँ.
यू कैन नॉट लर्न.
Definitely.
Correct? Because
agree.
there is something residual happening from the past.
Yes.
Okay, can be recent past. Like take an example for a child, right? He comes out from playing after 2 hours. The parent expects immediately to make him sit,
हाँ.
but his brain is full of what happened in the playground.
Right.
So
right.
it takes you another 15 minutes to clear that up
Yes.
before you start studying. And by the 15 minutes, the parent is thinking, इसका तो interest ही नहीं है. It's not about interest. It is brain is full of information.
Yes.
तो it's like आप अपने रूम के अंदर कुछ नया भरना चाहते हैं तो कुछ पुराना निकालना पड़ेगा आपको. So these brain gym exercise helps you to clear the brain so that you can again accept new things happening. So that helps the child to do better.
तो इसमें मैं एक चीज़ ऐड करना चाहूँगा, मतलब मेरा एक एक्सपीरियंस है. जब मैंने एडमिशन लेने में गया था नन्नावरे सर के पास में SIP अबैकस में, तो मैंने वहाँ पे एक फ़ोटो देखी थी.
Correct.
जिसमें जो हमारे क्रिकेट इंडिया जो है उसकी जो टीम है उसमें श्रीशांत जो बॉलर थे, आपको
Right.
याद होगा T20 में जिन्होंने लास्ट बॉल पे पीछे कैच पकड़ी थी, बहुत
Correct.
पॉपुलर थे वो.
Absolutely.
उनका फोटो लगा हुआ था और उनके वो ब्रेन जिम कर रहे थे. तो ये जो ब्रेन जिम हम बात कर रहे हैं, क्या सर ये इतना इफेक्टिव है कि जो प्रोफेशनल्स हैं
Correct.
उसको यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो ये इतने लेवल पे भी?
बहुत effective है. Even for an ADHD child, it is very effective.
ओके. ADHD समथिंग दैट पीपल हैव आइडेंटिफाइड नाउ.
Hyperactive. हाँ, now
Yes.
मतलब last 10 years से.
यस, अभी बहुत बात हो रही है उसके
हाँ,
बारे में.
बहुत बात होती है. तो हमारे पास एक एक्सरसाइज है जिससे द ब्रेन बिकम्स वेरी काम. ADHD child is where too much of information
Yes,
चल रहा है
yes,
उसका.
yes,
And he keeps shifting from one information.
Yes, yes.
हम लोग ADHD को wrong बोलते हैं.
सर ADHD का अगर आप viewers
It
के लिए
is
क्या होता है वो?
acute deficiency of attention deficiency होता है.
ओके ओके
Okay, so this is basically attention deficiency का
हाँ,
form होता है, and
हाँ.
ADHD is the highest level of it.
ओके
So where you are continuously getting distracted.
ओके
Right.
ओके.
So ADHD के लिए अगर हम ब्रेन जिम करते हैं, there's a hookups करके ब्रेन
हाँ
जिम
हाँ
है,
हाँ.
तो it helps you to stabilize.
ओके.
Okay, it calms you down, and once you're able to calm down, you're able to do it. I had a student about 20 years back, which he was an ADHD child,
ओके.
and he could not sit in one place at all.
हाँ हाँ.
So we used to almost do classes every day for him to help, and that is not possible every
Right,
time.
right,
But
right.
as an experimental basis, we had tried this out. I think after 3 years, he left my institute and then went off to Bangalore. His father was in
okay.
IT field. This happened in Hyderabad.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So almost about 7-8 years later, I got a phone call.
ओके.
It took him time to find my phone call again and do it because उस समय में cell phone कम होते थे,
Right,
and we kept
right,
changing from one to other. So once that got done, the simple thing that happened up is he was in 10th class, and his father said, after he did his brain gym, and we still continued doing it, from a few seconds of sitting in one place, he moved to 30 minutes of one place. Today, he can sit in one place for 3 hours. Even
Wow.
spending a lot of money in US, I could not get this done. But your one simple exercise 5 times a day is able to get it back to normal.
Great.
So brain gym is very powerful.
And I don't know how many people know about this, but brain gym, the word in itself is something unique. We all know gym that we
Absolutely.
go to for
Correct.
physical exercise.
Right.
But there is something actually which is needed for your brain as well.
Brain,
And in today's time, so correct me, I don't know, it's a question. Like mental health is something that is being talked about a lot, depression
Right.
and whatnot. So this exercises, I won't say, we are not doctors to say that this is something that will help people who are in depression, but there are certain things, there are certain exercises that may help you.
In
To a certain
one way, I will tell you something very differently.
Huh.
Okay. See, brain health is not got to do so much only about brain.
Okay,
Correct.
okay.
It's also got to do because a lot of time, if critical thinking is not taught very early for a child, correct, he starts expecting everything to happen in a dream world. And when the expectations are not met, when he's not able to see pros and cons,
Yes.
is when this mental health happens.
Okay.
Okay, like I'll give you a simple example.
हाँ.
I keep telling this to everyone. तो आप पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग की बात करते हैं.
हाँ.
लॉट ऑफ अस थिंक पॉजिटिव थिंक करना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव थिंक करना
Yes,
चाहिए.
yes.
घर से बाहर निकलते समय वी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग.
हाँ.
करेक्ट. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग सेज आप पॉजिटिव सोचो.
Yes.
करेक्ट.
Yes.
इसका मतलब है आज मुझे किसी से उधार लेना है, वो पक्का मेरे को पैसे दे देगा.
हाँ, right.
आज मेरी बारिश नहीं होगी.
Yes.
करेक्ट. आज मेरे को वो दोस्त मिलेगा और मेरा काम हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
आज मैं जाऊंगा तो ये काम हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
So that is actually, I will say, positive dreaming. It is not positive thinking.
Yes, right.
Positive thinking means आज कुछ भी हो जाए, इससे पैसे निकाल के लाने में.
Very interesting, right?
करेक्ट. आज कुछ भी हो जाए, मुझे उस जगह पे पहुंचना है. आज कुछ भी हो जाए, आज हो सकता है कि ट्रैफिक आ जाए, मेरे को घूम के जाना है, कुछ भी करना है, लेकिन मुझे पहुंचना है. सो पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग इज अबाउट आई हैव टू रीच द गोल विदाउट एनीथिंग हैपनिंग.
Yes.
नाउ व्हेन दिस इज नॉट टॉट, पॉजिटिव ड्रीमिंग इज टॉट, then this mental health problem comes.
Okay,
It's largely because of positive dreaming and not taking an action.
In an interesting perspective.
Yeah. So
Actually,
that's
an
a bigger
interesting-
problem, I will say.
Actually an interesting
हाँ.
perspective.
So a lot of youngsters already decide ये तो मेरे को मिलना ही चाहिए.
हाँ,
ये तो मेरे से होना ही चाहिए. ये तो पक्का ही पक्का होना चाहिए. So don't do positive dreaming. Do positive thinking. In terms of मेरे को ये करना है, उसके लिए अड़चने आएंगी और मुझे वो क्लियर करते हुए जाना.
सर आपने एक बुक है, मैं तो पहले बुक रीडर नहीं था, रिसेंटली बना हूँ.
Okay.
मैंने एक बुक पढ़ी, थिंक फास्ट एंड थिंक स्लो. क्या
Very good book.
पढ़ी है क्या?
Very good book. It
talks
clearly
about-
says that we are very reactive.
Yes.
Correct. And we don't think deeply
Yes.
about pros and cons. So वो बोलता है जब आप react कर रहे होते हो, it will always give you a loss. Whereas when you are deep thinking and analyzing it,
Yes.
okay, it's always right. मेरे एक बॉस मेरे को अच्छा बोलते थे, वो मेरे को बोलते थे जो थॉट आपका फर्स्ट आता है उसको फेंक दो, वो बेकार होता है.
सही
Your
बोल रहे.
second and third thought is good, which is exactly think fast and think
थिंक
slow.
स्लो. देयर इज वन एग्जांपल, मतलब मैं व्यूअर्स को बोलना चाहूँगा कि अगर आपको ब्रेन के बारे में इन जनरल डिटेल अंडरस्टैंडिंग चाहिए तो वो बुक पढ़ सकते हो. अगर आपने बुक पढ़ ली तो कई
Absolutely.
सारी जो ब्रेन्स की बुक आपको पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, क्योंकि उन्होंने वो, आई थिंक सो ही इज अ नोबेल प्राइज विनर एज वेल.
Winner, yeah.
So a very detailed understanding about how your brain works in
Works.
general. So मैंने उसमें पढ़ा था कि जो भी आपको, अगर मैंने एक फाइन प्रिंट में लिखा है और मैं आपको वो पढ़ने को बोलूँ तो उसका कॉम्प्रिहेंशन बेटर होगा रादर देन नॉर्मल फॉन्ट. सिंपली
Absolutely.
बिकॉज क्योंकि आपको आईज पे स्ट्रेन देना होगा, फोकस से पढ़ना होगा और स्लो पढ़ना होगा, तो आप जल्दी उसको कॉम्प्रिहेंड बेटर
समझोगे,
करोगे.
easy करोगे.
वेयर एज आप बड़े फॉन्ट पढ़ोगे तो देयर आर चांसेस दैट यू मे रीड वर्ड्स रॉन्ग.
Correct.
जैसे
And
बहुत बार-
comprehend it completely wrong.
जैसे बहुत बार वर्ड की बात बोले तो वी सी फर्स्ट कॉपीज ऑफ ब्रांड which is not Adidas, it is Abibas.
Correct.
But because it appears it's so similar that you read it Adidas, it is not Adidas as such.
Correct. It's
Right.
more of sight words कहते हैं उसको.
Yes, yes,
तो
yes.
you create a picture of that.
Yeah.
अगर आपके words jumble भी हो जाएंगे
Yes.
तो आप वही word
Yes,
पढ़ोगे.
yes. Whereas if you would have focused and
Properly
gone slow,
done. If it is very small, it is.
Yes, yes.
No, this is also true for another thing I have seen कि classroom में मैंने देखा हुआ है, school के classroom में. The quietest rooms are of a teacher who speaks very slowly and very low volume में, decibels
Okay.
में बात करती
हाँ,
है.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
जो loudly बात करती है उसका classroom भी boisterous रहता है.
कितना
It's
इंटरेस्टिंग है.
it's very similar to what you're saying.
Yes.
The slower I speak, the lower I speak, the more focus you have to do it.
Yes, I have
So-
to focus more to listen to you.
Listen to you. Hence, you'll not be boisterous. You'll be more calmer.
Great.
So when you want to convey something to someone, even if you're angry, it has to be in a low voice,
Great.
and it has to be very soft for a person to understand.
This is such an interesting way.
Yeah,
Which otherwise, when we are angry, we are tend to go louder
louder.
because we have lost it.
Correct. उसका एक सेंट ने बहुत अच्छा बोला था कि एक्चुअली आपका अगर दिल मिला हुआ होगा, इफ यू कनेक्टेड,
हाँ.
तो आप आंखों से भी कन्वे कर सकते हो. मगर आपका दिल जितना ज्यादा डिस्टेंस होगा उतना लाउडर आपको होना पड़ेगा.
मुझे पता नहीं, मैं एक और इसमें बताना चाहूंगा सर आपको. मिर्जापुर करके एक वेब सीरीज आई थी.
ओके,
I
आई
don't
हैव
know if
सीन
you
दैट.
have you seen that?
Yes.
तो उसमें वो कालीन भैया जो है कैरेक्टर,
Correct.
सो उसके उनके बहुत मीम्स भी बने. पंकज त्रिपाठी ने जो कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है, इट इज ही स्पीक्स मोर फ्रॉम आईज.
Absolutely.
सो यस, इट इज वेरी मच ट्रू.
So if you're connected, even your eyes can convey.
Yes.
But if you're not connected, that's how the louder thing happens.
then you'll have to use more things to
reach out,
express,
to reach out.
to reach out, to
Correct.
communicate.
Absolutely.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वे सर. तो सर कमिंग बैक, एक और पॉइंट था मेरा कि जैसे आपने बोला कि जो सिखा रहे हैं बैकर्स, हम एक पर्टिकुलर एज ग्रुप को ही पढ़ा रहे हैं.
Correct.
सर मैंने एक चीज़ पढ़ी थी कि न्यूरो साइंटिस्ट है कोई यूट्यूब पे, उनकी मैंने वीडियो देख रहा था, या पता नहीं, मुझे याद नहीं है. वो बोल रहे थे कि, और रादर लेट्स नॉट रेफर टू दैट, मेरा थॉट प्रोसेस आप बोलते हैं, शायद उन्होंने कुछ बोला होगा, मैंने समझा पता नहीं. तो लेट्स से कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, कि एक एज के बाद में आपकी मेमोरी नोट्स बनते जाते हैं. तो जब ओल्डर यू गेट, तो अब आपको नई चीज़ सीखनी, तो आपको काम ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा. मतलब कुछ ऐसा होता है क्या कि
I'll tell you something. What happens is it's called synapses.
Yes,
जो brain
yes,
के
yes,
बीच में
yes.
होता है. This is what you
To
read
store
is
memory.
correct, but the perspective is
it's different.
What happens is there are millions and millions of cells.
Yes.
The more you use it, more connected it is. Stop closing it, जंग लग जाता है, बंद हो जाता है, synapses disconnect हो जाता है. So brain is very energy efficient.
हाँ.
अगर आप कोई चीज को यूज नहीं कर रहे हो तो ना वो रिलीज कर देता है.
Right.
Correct? So you're not able to recall. So it's not that that dead cell is dead. It's only that you have not practiced it enough.
Okay.
So you can revive it back if
Huh.
you constantly practice, you constantly see things in perspective. This will only happen if you have a power to visualize.
Okay.
क्योंकि visualize is very very random, very big. इसमें आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको सोचनी पड़ती हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें अंदर आती हैं, बाहर जाती हैं. If you have to just visualize a traffic corner, okay, roundabout, you will see many things happening.
Yes.
And every time you want to visualize, it will be different.
Yes.
It will not be the same scooter, it will not be the same situation, right? So generally क्या होता है, if you do not have a good visualization power, आपकी synapses बंद हो जाती हैं because you're not using them, and hence your recall becomes difficult. It's nothing got to do with old, it is got to do with usage.
नहीं तो सर मैं ये समझना चाह रहा था कि वो जो चीज़ हम लोग बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं, वो सेम चीज़ हम बड़ों को क्यों नहीं पढ़ा सकते? मतलब
That's because they don't give you that much time in dedication.
So it is just about time.
It's about time, and it's about applying the same hours of work.
So if someone of age 40, let's say,
Correct.
want to learn what you are teaching,
Correct.
and they are ready to
If
give time.
he can give time, he will learn.
Okay. So it has got nothing to do with age. It is about method and learning.
Absolutely.
Great.
Absolutely. Lot of old people are doing something very new.
Yes.
So that's not possible without this.
Of course.
happening. I'll tell you one very simple thing. I started long distance running. I'm a long distance runner.
हाँ.
So I started running at the age of 45.
Okay.
So I learned that skill, and I can
Yes.
do a full marathon.
Yes.
Correct. So it's not that you can not do a skill. You can learn anything. You can revive anything.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
मैंने स्कूल के बाद दौड़ा नहीं था.
Yes, of
So
course.
that is, I left it at the age of 17. I picked it up again at 45.
Right,
I'm 56 and I'm still learning.
Yes.
Correct. So you can pick up any skill that you want. And I'm telling you, if you have to be successful and you have to break your age off,
Exactly.
you need to keep learning. new
Absolutely,
things.
sir. Absolutely.
Correct. Otherwise, you
Yes,
get
yes,
challenged.
yes. Every
right?
10 years you come
The
back.
youngster is going to challenge me for a lot of things.
Yes.
He is going to ask me for randomly for a book, for an information, for everything. So I need to have the skills
Of
to
course.
continuously do
Of
it.
course.
So I will say something very differently. As you go old, it is not about difficulty of learning. It is the desire of being relevant.
Okay.
If you have a desire of being relevant, you learn it.
Great. So moving on to the next element of abacus. First, we talked about the numbers part, how we tackle number, and it is not numbers, rather visualizing
Visualizing
the
the things.
objects or
Absolutely.
anything for that matter. Second was brain gym, and the third element
Is speed writing.
Yes.
Speed writing is very important because what happens is there is a technique of eye movement and hand movement. That combination helps you to write faster. Most of the time, what happens is what you're writing, you're seeing, which is a waste of time. You should start you should start hearing the next word, and you should start seeing where I have to write it. That is when you move faster. Basically, हमको सबसे पहला steps problem क्या आता है? One is with all the gadgets, the child is not writing anymore. He's not even starting with drawing. Correct? So your finer movements are fine motor skills are very less developed. Then your next level of motor skills are less developed. Correct? Gross motor skills are very developed. So initially you learn gross motor, then you learn fine motors, and then you start applying it.
Yes.
So child has to write very less nowadays.
Yes.
Even the younger child, you start using pads and computers and various way of
Yes,
interacting
yes,
because it is
yes.
more visual and learning is
Yes.
happening. So what happens is they lose the capability to write notes. They lose the capability to write it faster. They lose the capacity to write it neater. So exam में क्या होता है? If you're slow, you miss out time, and finally you will have to rush. And when you rush, your handwriting goes wrong. So speed writing largely helps you to write faster, neater. So that's the focus of speed writing.
Speed writing.
So you need three things to learn, correct? You need to learn, your brain should be very clean for you to learn. And your abacus helps you in skills, and speed writing helps you in writing faster.
First, we talked about numbers, then brain gym, and now speed writing.
Speed writing we
So
completed.
it
Right.
was speed writing was in nutshell was writing with two hands, so that it helps you work both the brains.
Both the
work
brains together
simply- in
and
simple
write
language.
faster and neater.
Right.
That's a key thing.
Yes. And the key benefits of this, if you can quickly, though you have mentioned them earlier, if you can say what are the key benefits of these different elements like SIP
Okay.
abacus.
One simple thing is that I'll go by what
Yes, of course.
child requires.
Yes.
So first thing is that your mind should be clear for you to learn new things. So brain gym is used there.
Yes.
Correct? Then you need to have learning abilities, which is like concentration, listening and visual memory. That comes from abacus. Correct? And finally what you have learned, you have to write faster and neater. That comes from speed writing. So if you'll see the full package that a child needs to perform and learn comes through these three elements.
And one part that we have not talked about is how we make the learning fun.
Yeah.
The maths, which, sorry to interrupt you, but generally when we talk about maths or study in general, the first thought or idea that comes to mind is boring. We don't want to go there and it's boring. So if you can talk about how we make it fun and enjoying, like
Okay.
sorry to again interrupt you, but I'll add one more thing, my own experience. So when I joined Abacus, this was one of the tuition or class, you can say, where I used to tell my father that it's time and we have to go, because this was the only class up until today
That
in my
you
life
enjoyed.
that I enjoyed going to. So if you can explain it, how
I'll
it
tell you
is
one
fun.
very simple analogy for it. So for you to connect
Yes.
that very simply. See, what happens is we actually start enjoying things that we can do better. Correct? Anything.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
if it can crack my brain, fear,
Yes.
and remove my fear, then it becomes easy. So I keep joking and telling people, we fear three things that we don't see. Correct? We fear God because we don't see it.
Yes.
We fear a ghost because we don't see it.
Yes.
And we fear a number because we can't see it.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Fortunately, number I can make you see through using abacus.
Ah.
And the moment you can start seeing numbers, the fear goes off and you start enjoying it.
Yes.
So if you're not enjoying something, it's largely a fear.
Yes.
So abacus helps you to remove the fear of numbers because it is visual, it is abstract, and that helps you to enjoy the whole thing again.
Yes.
And since you become faster than others, you becoming correcter than others, obviously
You have fun.
people start appreciating it.
Yes.
And when people start appreciating it, you want to enjoy it.
Yes.
That's the point.
And this is the day I understand why I enjoy it, because I'll tell you what. And this is one thing that I have never talked about with anyone, not even my parents. This is the
Okay.
first time talking. Before joining Abacus, I had a fear of subtraction. Whenever I see subtraction or division for that matter, I was like, I had a fear. Not that I could not solve it. average student, if not better. But I had somewhere that fear whenever I see. But after learning abacus, I don't have that fear at all.
Absolutely.
So the fear thing that you talked about, and that is why I started enjoying it. Maybe.
Enjoying it more because there's no fear.
Yes, and hence I wanted to do it more and more and more.
Correct. So you can see a very simple thing: when you are in a company of your friend, you don't have a fear.
Yes.
And you enjoy it.
Yes.
When you're a company of adults, you have a fear that you
Yes.
may go wrong and you
Yes.
are not able to enjoy the group. So that's how it is.
So in today's generation, the new generation that is there, we see that because of, like my, let's go with the example. My brother have a daughter now. So to feed her, my sister-in-law turns on YouTube. She sees the YouTube and only then she eats it. So this whole addiction of, and because though the videos are made such that it make them addictive to the video, not
Absolutely.
that engaging. It is made to
It's
make
more
them
addictive.
addictive.
Correct.
So, in the presence of all of these things, the attention span has reduced, is what we read about.
Absolutely.
So, how do you manage this when you teach abacus?
See, the best part about abacus is there's no television or a
Yes,
tool that we
there
are
is no
using it.
device at all.
Correct. So you are with your own imagination.
Yeah.
You are only comprehending and visualizing numbers, which
Yeah.
you start enjoying it.
Yes.
And slowly, when I get into a new habit, your old habit vanishes.
Yes.
So we have basically, you talked about Six Sigma thing,
Yes,
where you
yes.
replace something new. So I'm just substituting and replacing with a better thing.
Yes.
That's it.
So, sir, there is another question that with abacus, there is one more thing that goes around, which is Vedic maths.
Okay.
So, can you talk about what is the difference between abacus and Vedic maths?
Yeah, I'll tell you
Yeah.
very simply. Vedic maths is a set of steps, like theorem you can call it,
Rules, maybe.
rules,
Yeah.
which you need to learn. And there are quite a lot of rules.
Yeah.
And Vedic maths is very short-term programs. Generally, you see 6 months maximum, or maybe some refreshers course will be there. But what happens largely is when you're learning Vedic maths, one is you need to remember all these formulas and you need to apply. Whereas in abacus, I don't think so you remember any formulas. It became
No.
very automatic for you to do it.
I just
Though they were
visualize the
formulas,
device.
though they were steps to do
Yes,
it,
yes,
there
they
were
were.
methods to do it,
Yes.
but you don't do it. I'll tell you one very simple thing. Vedic maths has something about 100 odd formulas that you need to remember.
Sutras is what
But
they
if you
call.
go back by abacus, the combination that you applied, you did almost about 1,200 odd movements.
Yes,
Correct?
yes, yes.
Different combination movement.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So that was you yourself were telling that you don't even remember any formula.
No, I
But
don't.
you were actually doing the formulas.
yes.
Correct? Whereas in a Vedic maths, you actually have
To
to remember
remember
the
those.
formula and apply it. And since it's a short-term course, so it vanishes off faster.
Okay.
Any course which is short-term, you don't remember it.
Yes.
Any course which is longer, you remember it for a much longer time.
Right.
Like you take swimming, you don't forget because you do for years and
yeah,
years together. Cricket, you don't forget. Music, you don't forget. Dance, you forget because you keep doing it for years together. Whatever is short-term course, you will not be able to apply in life. Whatever is long-term, it becomes part of you. Like you said, if you remove Bacchus out of me, it will happen.
Yeah.
So it has to become part of you.
Yes.
So Vedic maths generally is very tough for younger kids
Ha,
who has less concentration. It is pretty decent for groups which has missed a Bacchus period. That is, they've crossed 7th class and still they want to do their calculation faster and using shortcuts. For them, Vedic maths is good.
Okay.
But if you have a chance of doing a Bacchus, you don't need a Vedic maths.
Right.
That's what it is.
And I think maybe one thing in Vedic maths is the remembering part, which is the
Very tough one.
it's a bit of challenging is what I feel in
Absolutely.
a way. You should be learning something that you don't have to remember as such. It should come to you with a flow. The brain has to again go back and remember the form, get back a formula to you, and then you apply the formula and do it. Whereas in Abacus, you just have to visualize the beads, and over the time you don't even have to visualize it. It comes automatically to you.
No, that happens because the number of hours you have practiced it.
Yeah.
You practice more than 10,000 hours.
So,
There's a-
sir, as you said, the point of practice, can that the same thing be applied to Vedic then? That practice
yes,
may be.
yes, but it will be very difficult.
Okay.
It may happen. Anything that is practiced for 10,000 hours will work.
Okay.
But will you work for 10,000 hours is the question.
Okay.
That's what I mean.
Fine. So another thing, while I was scrolling through the website, I saw that 80% of your franchisee owners are women. So can you put some light on this? That women thing, is it a well thought thing or not? And how has it impacted the business?
It started very differently. It started as a part-time jobs, and I think women wanted to come out and do this.
Okay.
But now it is a full-time job, and we have a lot of women who take back a minimum of 50,000 a month, and there are women who take back at least for 5 to 6 lakhs a month
Okay.
by spending as a full business.
Uh-huh.
So I think now it is a full-fledged business, and by design it started with women because it was part-time. Now that it has become full-time, there are a lot of men who have joined us,
Okay.
but there's still a lot of women who keep delivering this program very strongly.
Sir, sorry,
And
continue.
they are first-time entrepreneurs, so we also have a onus of not making them do loss. So as a franchisee business, we take a lot of responsibility on ensuring each one of them is successful,
Okay.
earning money and going back home. So a lot of teachers also are like part-timers, but they have become full-timers to do that because they take back home a very decent
Right,
amount of
right,
money,
right.
which is equivalent to sometime school teachers'
Of
money
course.
kind of a thing. So during pandemic, I think almost this 6,000 odd tribe survived because their other side of the family did not have any income,
Oh.
and this was a source of income. So
Great.
during pandemic, actually, it happened in a very great way.
Sir, so as you talked about pandemic, it must be all online, right?
Online,
So
completely
what
online.
difference does it make in online and offline?
I would say about 10-15%.
Okay.
But it
in the
really,
learning part.
yeah, maybe very less. But we devised it very well. We used to use 2 devices.
Okay.
One cell phone for seeing his abacus part,
What the person,
whether the finger
kid is
movement is
doing.
happening
Yeah,
correctly,
yeah, yeah.
and one for him to face us.
Yes, yes.
So there were 2 devices used and ensured that the child's learning did not continue. I'll tell you one big thing about it is, we give a promise since 2011. SIP is the only company which gives a promise of making your child 5 times better or money back return. Correct? Generally what happens is when a scheme like this comes in or when an offer like this comes in, every other abacus company joins in. But it's been 13 years, there's no other company been able to deliver this. Hence they don't promise. So we're the only people after 13 years also making a promise. Either your child becomes 5 times better or the money is given back. So that's a confidence that we have on our training program, and we had to mold ourselves, reach out that level so that we don't withdraw this 5 times better during pandemic because it was online training.
Okay.
So we continued to deliver this online, continued to promise and deliver it. We got an award recently from Times of India Economic Times Division,
Okay.
which said that one of the only companies which developed skills offline also and online also equally.
Great, great.
So the promise remained
Of
for
course,
all this.
because online is a bit challenging.
Challenging.
It started with a boon,
There is
a blessing rather, that you can reach out to many people even in the inside part of India, but to give the same, to deliver the same thing it was a bit challenging.
See, I'll tell you the difference that happens in SIP. Everyone is taking everyone's advice.
Yeah.
We listen to the person who is on the ground.
Yes, yes.
We listen. It's a bottom down,
Yes, yes,
bottom up approach. So we listen a lot. Today I was spending time with my team. I was listening a lot. So I travel a lot to listen, and then I devise. So everything that we make and devise is by listening from the ground. So a lot of time when we went online, almost 30-40 new ideas came in. Why don't we do it like this? Why don't we do it like this? And we kept refining it. And in about 3 months' time, we had the most refined method of applying it.
Okay.
Then everyone followed the same.
Great, great.
So generally in most of the places, the success doesn't happen because it's a top-down approach. Someone has done a research on the top and he says this is how it has to
Yes.
happen. So there's no scope for innovation.
No,
there's no
right.
scope for
yes,
variation.
yes.
So that's a difference. So SIP works based on a lot of inputs.
Kaizen. I learned about a technique, a Japanese technique in Six Sigma itself, which was called Kaizen. So Kaizen is where you make a group of 5
Correct.
people, different groups, and they come up with ideas.
Ideas to do.
Yeah.
So we have almost 6,000 people giving us ideas.
Yeah. So it's a great, interesting way
Absolutely.
to grow and to also motivate our people that you are being listened and it's rather these people who give the inputs, right? Because they are working on ground and they know the real time experiences.
There's a word which has become very famous nowadays, make people inclusive.
Yeah, yeah.
So we practice inclusiveness.
Yeah, you
completely.
practice it right from day one. It's great. So, sir, in today's time, we have seen the AI. AI is a buzzword in today's time.
Absolutely.
Buzzword, or maybe it is practical as well, because even I use AI to a great extent to communicate so that it appears that it's professional and you don't have to worry about language and all. AI also writes you creative things like poem or a song.
Anything.
Anything, right? Yeah. So, in this age, creativity, what is your take on creativity that humans learn? Will it vanish or will it still stay?
No, it cannot vanish for a
Yeah.
very simple reason is AI will be faster in being creative,
Ah,
but AI, I'll tell you, creativity will not go up because when there are no precedents, that time only human creativity can work.
yes, exactly. AI will work.
AI
on
will
what-
work only with precedents.
Yeah.
Correct? If there is no precedence, the creativity will work. So I would advise everyone, if you can give one skill to your child, it is ability to visualize. Because in future, even if you cannot be setting new precedents, the AI will not be smarter. AI cannot be smarter if you're not creating new precedents.
Because we
So
have
if
to feed the data to it for it to learn.
Absolutely. So you may give him 1,000 pictures and it may analyze it faster than you. That's perfectly right. But it is not going to do your job. So you
Okay.
don't need to worry about AI going to take over. Actually, AI is good thing.
Yeah.
It allows you for a lot of information that you don't have it currently, but someone else has done
Yes,
it.
yes, yes.
Correct?
yes, yes.
But at the same time, your creativity is not going to stop. If you can be constantly creative, I don't think AI can. Suppose a cook is creating a new dish. Correct? AI cannot dream that way.
Yeah, no.
Because AI doesn't know what has to be more, what has to be less.
Yes.
It can only copy paste faster.
And it cannot even taste.
It can only copy paste faster.
Yeah.
Correct? It cannot define it. Or maybe another 10 years time that will also come in.
Yeah.
But still your creativity, what is unprecedented, only you can do it. What is precedented, that AI can do.
Yeah.
So you still scope. I think you can actually go back and say today the AI is a computer which is maybe million times faster than what our fathers used. So even at that time, computer was very amazing thing. In our time, other things became very amazing. Now the AI, I would actually say don't fear. If you were in Google for so many years, if you were in Facebook for so many years, if you're in Insta, you're already used to AI.
Yeah, of course.
They
we
have survived
we
on
have.
AI.
Yes.
They know more about you.
Yeah.
Correct? So AI is now only made public.
Yeah.
Now it has been made public, but it is available everywhere. That's what I
Right.
would say.
Sir, one more thing, that can creativity in general, because now that we have discussed creativity is there to stay, and also creativity is one thing that humans have.
Correct.
It's one thing that that only humans have, not machines. They do have, but they will have to learn it from us
Absolutely.
first. So, can creativity be learned? Can it be learned, or is it by birth something? I don't know.
No. I would say, I'll tell you something very simple. If a person is creative by birth, he's largely visual person.
Oh,
So if you can learn visual, you can be creative.
so there is you can always be learn to be
Absolutely.
creative.
You take a simple example. What is creativity? किसी ने कारपेट बनाया,
हाँ.
करेक्ट, आपने कारपेट उठा के दीवार में लगा दिया, दैट इज क्रिएटिविटी.
हाँ.
एज सिंपल एज दैट.
हाँ,
करेक्ट. काफी जगह पे कालीन लगा देते हैं ऑन द दीवार, और क्रिएटिविटी है. सो क्रिएटिविटी इज सीइंग समथिंग डिफरेंटली. So if you have the visual skill, you'll start seeing it differently.
So can we say creativity is unstructured thinking? Is it so?
No, it is very structured thinking.
It is a structured
with the ability to see many things together.
Okay. So because it is a structured thinking, it can be learned.
It is very structured thinking.
Okay.
Very. Creativity is completely structured. Only thing is you are able to see it in a different perspective.
Okay. Great. So you also have SIP Academy also have an English related product, MI Kids, I think so, right?
Correct.
So that is for kids, and if you can tell a little bit about that, and then I have another
MI Kids
question.
is largely subject English for lower KG, upper KG, and class 1 and class 2. It works on a very simple law that we make children to read things faster. Correct? It is based on phonics and it helps you to read faster. So there is a defined statement saying that you have to, in a minute, you have to read some
Yeah, that
35
words
or
per
40
minute,
words per
whatever,
minute.
yeah.
Words per minute is
Yeah.
defined. And when we go back and check this in the initial stages, we find the children reading it very less. And when we finish a course, they are actually able to match, or they are able to move even more ability to read. And once you are able to read any language, your confidence goes up.
Yeah.
So the young kids, when they can actually read, they start thinking, they start using it, and they become more confident. So that's MI Kids, that is done at and we do it in a smaller towns to do that. The second thing that we have recently started is something called as Crico, which is also into English language, but it is got to do more for urban students. What happens is you are not able to convey in a language because you are not able to critically think in that language.
Yeah.
So CRICO is basically critical thinking and communication. That's how the
Okay,
CRICO
short
word
form.
comes in.
Yeah.
So to communicate something, you need to critically think, and then you can communicate. So language is English, but you're critically thinking, and most of us cannot think and express because we think in our own mind language. Like I think in Hindi, though I'm a South Indian.
Okay.
My father was in Air Force. I've been brought up in North. My thinking itself is Hindi. मैं हिंदी में ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से बात कर सकता हूँ, मैं सोच सकता हूँ. मेरी इंग्लिश स्लो रहेगी मेरी हिंदी से, मेरी हिंदी फास्टर रहेगी जब मैं कम्युनिकेट करूँगा. करेक्ट. तो वो इसलिए भी होता है क्योंकि आप एक सर्टन लैंग्वेज, मेरी मदर टंग में कोई मेरे से पूछेगा तो मैं हिंदी बोलूँगा.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि मैं सोचता हिंदी में.
ओके 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 ओके.
करेक्ट. सो उस तरह से माना जाता है. तो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को बेटर करने के लिए हमने वो प्रोग्राम लेके आया.
तो ये सर अगेन है स्मॉल जो छोटे बच्चे उनके लिए,
उनके हम छोटे बच्चों के साथ ही डील करते हैं. हमने वो गैप रखा हुआ है 5 से 7, विच इज़ अ राइट एज टू लर्न लॉट ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स. टाइम भी ज़्यादा रहता है सीखने के लिए, तो वो परमानेंट भी जल्दी हो जाता है.
फाइनल लास्ट क्वेश्चन सर कि ये जो आपने बच्चों के लिए आप इंग्लिश, क्योंकि इंग्लिश एक ऐसी चीज़ है इंडिया में अभी भी बहुत लोग हैं जो सीखना चाहते हैं इस लैंग्वेज को बहुत, क्योंकि ये एक स्टेटस सिंबल भी हो गया, या बोलो जॉब में भी इसकी बहुत रिक्वायरमेंट है. एक्चुअली स्टेटस सिंबल तो एक सोसाइटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हो गया, बट उसका एक्चुअल रोल भी बहुत बड़ा है. जॉब में है, कम्युनिकेशन में, वेबसाइट्स बहुत सारी उसमें, ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज है. तो सर ये जो अडल्ट है जो उस एज ग्रुप में नहीं है, उसके लिए आप कभी फ्यूचर में सोच रहे हो कुछ, या
शायद नहीं. वी डोंट वांट टू गेट उस कैटेगरी में घुसना ही
जाना ही नहीं है. सर फाइनल आप SIP एकेडमी का फ्यूचर क्या है, मतलब कैसे देख रहे हो उसको आगे?
जब तक बच्चे रहेंगे तब तक हम रहेंगे.
And the method will remain the same.
Method will keep. No, it does change. Delivery changes. It evolves. Lot of methods change. हमारे मैंने कहा था ना इंक्लूसिव है तो बहुत नए आइडियाज़ आते हैं, क्योंकि हर 2-3 साल में बच्चों का नेचर चेंज हो जाता है. They are Gen Alpha to they become Gen तो हर बीटा का एक डेफिनेशन होता है, उनके लर्निंग के तरीके होते हैं, उनके अलग होता है. तो हमें कभी कभी डिलीवरी मेथड चेंज करना पड़ता है. तो दिस कम्स फ्रॉम बॉटम टॉप डाउन. ये इस तरह का मेरे पास सिचुएशन था. इट कीप्स इवॉल्विंग. इट विल बी स्टिल सेम थिंग, बेसिक विल बी सेम बट कीप इवॉल्विंग. लाइक आपका टेलीविजन इज टेलीविजन, but from a cathode ray tube it has become a slim TV. So that will keep happening, but it will still convey the same thing, which
the
is
core remains the same. Yeah, so it was great talking to you and it's an honor. बहुत ही अच्छे से, क्योंकि आपने बहुत अच्छे एग्जांपल्स दिए, क्योंकि आप जो आपने विजुअलाइज बोला, आपने एग्जांपल्स देके एक्चुअली व्यूअर्स को आई होप कि उन्होंने विजुअलाइज किया होगा. इट मस्ट हैव हेल्प.
आई होप.
तो आपके फाइनल कमेंट्स, आप क्या बोलना चाहते हो व्यूअर्स को? आपको कैसे लगा और आपको क्या लगा?
अगेन मैं बोलना चाहूँगा फॉर यंग पेरेंट्स, अगर आप कोई चीज़ आपके बच्चों को गिफ्ट कर सकते हो, जो संपत्ति हो सकती है उनके लिए, इट इज़ द स्किल्स लाइक कंसंट्रेशन, लिसनिंग एंड विजुअल मेमोरी. तो आपका जितना विजुअल स्ट्रांग होगा, जितना आपका कंसंट्रेशन स्ट्रांग होगा, आपको चीज़ें सिखानी नहीं पड़ेंगी, वो AI उसको शेयर करेगी. बट इफ़ ही कैन हैव द स्किल्स फॉर लाइफ, ही कैन डू वेरी वेल. ही कैन डू इन मल्टीपल थिंग्स. You are a living example of that.
Of course.
You studied chemical engineering.
Yeah.
You are teaching. You are working on on your own business.
Yeah.
You are also doing something creative.
Yeah.
So, multiple handling is only happening because you can think faster.
Yes.
So please give skills to your children.
Great.
And rest all will happen.
Great. So guys, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़रूर इसको लाइक करें, और आपके जो भी क्वेश्चंस है या आपको कुछ भी चीज़ कम्युनिकेट करनी है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में हमसे डायरेक्टली बात कर सकते हो. थैंक यू.